Assalamu alaikum with another vlog of series of IELTS and PTE to improve your scores. It is the 5th vlog, and this vlog is all about the writing task for IELTS. So IELTS writing task, we have 2 tasks, and the duration of time is required for IELTS writing is 1 hour. And these tasks are divided with the time as well, like if you are doing task 1. So 20 minutes is dedicated to task 1 and 150 words should be written. And when it comes to task 2, you need to write 250 words and the task requires 40 minutes to cover the content and your ideas on the paper. In the task 1, which is basically a report writing for academic writers, there are 7 types of reports that we're going to encountered by the candidates of IELTS. Graphs, tables, charts, diagram, cycle, process, and maps. Each report requires a different structure to write it down. The most important the thing in task 1 is that you have to be very much structured related to your response. You must know what type of task it is and what type of vocabulary you are going to use it, and you have to be very specific about the tense structure as well. Then it is also important not to use any kind of irrelevant information or add something from your side in the task 1. Pronouns like I, we, you is also prohibited to use in the task 1. Task 1 is a report writing, so it demands some comprehensive information, and it need a particular and a specific language, which is also the demand of the task. When it comes to task 2, the duration of the time is 40 minutes. Task 2 is basically essay writing, and these are argumentative essays. When it comes to argumentative essays, again, it demands some arguments. It can be agree, disagree, advantage, disadvantage, problem and solution, discuss both views, and vice versa. In essays, your language should be advanced and your sentence structure should be used complex and complex compounds, which is also the demand of the task. When it comes to the words, 250 words, it is highly important that you should not write under words, and your words should not exceed from 275 words, which is also the demand of the task. Writing less words or less vocabulary means you are an average writer. It is also important that your arguments are clear and your ideas are also relevant to the argument which the essay is demanding. Particularly in essay, one must need the good use of linking words. Moreover, however, although, consequently, all these types of words are also necessary to use to make your essay more good and to give you more band and improve your scores. And when it comes to the general tips, so you need to practice regularly. If you say that you're very good in grammar or in vocabulary, so you don't need to write something. No, you need to practice regularly your task because it's going to help you out to understand the question and the type of question that are asked in the exam. Then also, after doing regular practice, it is also demand the seek feedback. For this, you can take the writing portal where AI is going to assess your writing skill and is going to give you the required band according to the writing that you have done. This writing portal will be given by the Skylark Institute of English Language. For the writing skill, it is also important that you must read widely, you must have an extensive knowledge and awareness related to the topic. Time management is the key factor in your writing task. If you're able to write good in a required time, it means you are getting your required score. In the end, I would like to suggest that you must have some extensive reading, which is going to help you out to improve your vocabulary and grammar related to your writing task. I hope you're going to like this video